Has Scikit-learn ever crossed your path? Maybe in a casual conversation, in an article, or during a machine learning project? Well, it's high time to delve into this incredible machine learning library. If we were to travel back in time to 2007, we'd find ourselves in the birth year of Scikit-learn, originally known as scikits.learn. It was the brainchild of David Cournapeau, who initiated the project during Google's Summer of Code. Fast forward to 2010, and the French Institute for Research in Computer Science and Automation, or INRIA, got involved. The first public release was published in late January of that same year. Ever wonder about the name? The Scikit part of Scikit-learn is a nod to it being a SciPy toolkit. SciPy, if you're not familiar, stands for Scientific Computing in Python and provides algorithms for various computational problems. Today, Scikit-learn is nurtured by more than 30 active contributors and enjoys sponsorship from prestigious entities like INRIA, Google, Tinyclues, and the Python Software Foundation. Despite a version number that might seem low, rest assured, Scikit-learn has been around for a good while and is both well-maintained and reliable. So, what can you do with Scikit-learn? Quite a lot, to be honest. It comes packed with tools for dataset loading, manipulation, pre-processing pipelines, and metrics. But the true gem of Scikit-learn is its extensive collection of machine learning algorithms. Take, for instance, the classification problem of recognizing handwritten digits. The digits data set, with 1797 8x8 pixel images of digits, was created from 250 samples from 44 writers. In the past, shuffling and splitting the data was a manual task. Now, Scikit-learn simplifies this common operation with a function aptly named train test split. You can choose a machine learning algorithm such as the support vector classifier or SVC. Call fit on it and you've trained your data. Call predict and you're testing out examples. It's that straightforward. Train underscore test underscore split for data splitting, SVM underscore SVC for algorithm selection, CLF dot fit for training, and CLF dot predict for prediction. To sum up, Scikit-learn is a powerful, reliable, and user-friendly tool. Born as a summer project, it has evolved into a comprehensive machine learning library with a myriad of algorithms. Its functions simplify common tasks, and its API aligns closely with the conceptual workflow, making it a breeze to use. Whether you're a machine learning novice or veteran, Scikit-learn is a library worth exploring. Dive into the tutorials, peruse the documentation, and get ready to create some remarkable models. Until the next time, keep learning, keep creating.